huge shout outs to Brandon. He took me around, he took me and Sam around, visit the shops. Luckily, he has huge connections, so I was able to see certain things that I guess we couldn't really would normally be able to see. But we're heading out with him and his girlfriend. We're gonna go get Korean barbecue. I'm not sure if it's all I can eat, but we're gonna get Korean barbecue. After that, I think we're gonna go visit Reggie's shop, Night Rider International. I'm not too sure. And then the meet's at 8 p.m. at cha time, so we're gonna go there after whoever knows what, when, where. But had a fun time. Thank you for all the hospitality and showing me around your guys' shop, and also for the gifts. You guys can't really see, but I could show that later when we get out, when we get back. That's Brandon's company, Revive. He gave me a jacket. Oh, Revive, the frames and stickers, and then also a nice jacket or hoodie. But we can look at that later. And also, was it Tavis and I don't know, I forgot his name. Anyways, just showing me around Yume and also for the gifts too. Now we're gonna go eat. We made it to the meet. Brandon's the host here today.
Do you drink already? I didn't get it.
There's a lot of FK eats here. What are these? RZF2s? Mugen kit. Sevens. A lot of these FKs have the full Mugen kit here. Another FK8. Another FK8. I realize a lot of people have spoon calipers here though.
Yeah, that's
a common thing. Ooh, I like.
That's a nice
ASIM hub.
Yeah. Nice hub.
You know that fits
NSXR.
EK and T-Sex. ASIM wheel too.
I actually wanted to get the hub just to collect it.
You know, I regret it when I was in.
So many Honda parts at home, and I don't even have the Honda.
Dude, when I was in Japan, everything was cheap. Oh, here's Brandon's car. This is white S15. Are those real type axes? Nah, wait. Dude, they are. Crazy. Uncut. Case pop MR2.
Yes. Oh. So they basically, or these ones. Huh?
So many kits for these now.
Yeah. No, different. This is the one that got stolen. Ooh, this is the one that got stolen. No.
Wait,
This is the one? Okay, so it was white on white. And the
I know, it's crazy loud.
Damn.
Yeah, you never see only one or it's always in.
That's like 300K right there.
There you go.
Everyone has to have spoon calipers, but it's like a stock ITR, just a quick release. Would you get one? No? What the fuck? What?
We don't see yellow.
You don't see yellow, right? Yeah. I want to do like basics.
The only other one is basic.
Real ITR, of course.
I tried to get his brother
What the
to come out, but he had too many beers before. I was like, yo, bring your Civic out. I was like, I just come over for the day. He's like, no. I know, trust me, I was bugging him too. I'm like, yo, come. Because I'm from the island too, but I live here now.
Oh. Ooh.
Is that a fresh cover?
Yeah.
The whale penis.
The Skunk 2 header? No, Buddy Club?
Buddy Club.
Yeah.
Whale penis.
Yeah. Original too.
Maybe a fresh. Just really clean.
No, I think that's a different trans, huh?
Yeah, it's a brand new trans.
Yeah, okay. That's
Must be
It's a
nice.
brand new one.
We should maybe be making bets now.
We should. No, it
Put that money
is.
down.
Yeah.
We need to start
Dude,
making bets.
if I remember, Matt was selling it for like what? 6 grand?
Yeah, for the trans.
You right? Yeah,
A
brand
little
new
cheaper
trans.
here right now.
Really?
Yeah, you probably get a brand new one for like 4K.
Here?
Canadian?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll ship you some. No, this one.
Oh yeah, wherever he went. Jay's from that. I'm Tommy.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, what bets are we placing? Oh, I forgot Koya offered these radiators too. Dude, why does everyone have Jay's strut bars here? Is it Canadian?
Remember?
Oh yeah, spoon's hard to get. Oh, we're getting a business idea together, right? We should start slinging spoon bars.
You gotta get all of these.
Hey, let me know. I guess. What are these? Are these the Jay's ducks?
Yeah.
What? Dude, I love blue on Mag Blue. What harnesses are these? Hybrid shifter? Respect. Not saying because I'm sponsored by them, but dude, this one has a Hans. We call it Hans.
Jay's wing?
Yeah. Jay's wing. Oh, I always liked how they did this. Really clean build. What exhaust is this? Is this? What is this? What exhaust is this? Fujitsu? No? What is it?
No.
This is Jay's tow hook. What is this? What the fuck? Dude, this is the second one I've seen this. You guys have these up here. What is it? What exhaust is that?
Fujitsu.
I knew it! I said Fujitsu!
I didn't see the badge. Usually they have the little badge on the
No,
So if you
Oh.
like put her up, it'll say
I can tell by the canister, that's why. You owe me 50 bucks. Yeah.
We're walking around making
Can I open your door?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Car Hans? I don't know how you drive with a Hans. Like,
It works, trust me.
how do you even see?
So I sit and then
Works
the
built up.
Recaro, like that thing, would just be like up here. And then I look.
Oh, because he just fits underneath it. That's why.
Oh, so his head sticks out right here. That makes sense. That makes sense. All right. Oh shit. Easy doors.
Yeah.
Jeez. Thunder. It's clean. BYS. Music header? Oh, my bad.
Okay. No, you can't. That's the thing.
I want to import these batteries. You're gonna help me import them.
Okay.
Yeah. MF tents. Bucks. It's like a Gen 1. Anodized. Brother, what are you talking about? Are you okay? Yeah. Split wing. This thing's really clean on the moldings. Can I open your door? Can I open your door? Cool. Alright, Jason's nice enough to let me open his door of this $40,000 EG.
Oh man,
50? S1 buckets. These are uncomfortable, but they're worth so much money.
I need one.
You ain't down. Dude, this thing has a big ass Jay's wing. Jay's exhaust? Yeah? You know, I love C28s, but I'm never a fan of the 4x100 because they're 8-spoke.
That's like the same thing. M10 versus M10.
Yeah. You know.
Oh, giddy up.
Oh yeah. Are these the black? Are these black racing wheels?
Actually, don't see this. I don't see the JDM.
Or the RG? Really? You know the black racing wheels, right? versus the what is it? That's what it's called. Why is my thing doing this? No mama's way, whatever.
That's a real there.
Oh, hi. Welcome back.
Okay.
Wow. I need to fix his bumper still. That thing sounds nice. Damn, this is the one that me and Brandon saw earlier. RG1s. How much are these worth?
Like 20, 18 to 20.
And they're legal here, right? They're Brits.
Like a clean mint one.
No.
A clean mint one you have like 30.
Oh, by the way, this is my Canadian translator, so.
You thought this was a Civic. Sounds like a lot of fun.
I didn't say that.
Yeah.
Because there was a Civic earlier that pulled by.
Civic. You're like, oh wait, that's an Evo.
What are you talking about?
At the red light when you saw this earlier.
No, I thought you pointed at the Civic. I didn't know you pointed at the Evo.
Pointed at the Evo. You said it. You thought it was a Civic.
Alright, real question. Would you own one?
Yes.
Yeah? Dude, this thing looks low-key, like, it actually looked like it got rallied.
I want this one.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, got collector plates? Ooh, that means it's real.
Wait, what is that?
So, collector means like, it's a collectible car, low mileage, and then we can move it.
Wait,
And original everything.
so is it worth more? Oh. How much do these go for here?
6 figures.
6 figures? And it's a manual. Wait, what wheels are these?
They're white. So these are the JDM NSX base model wheels.
Oh, okay. So these are the dude, I never noticed that. Dude, these wheels, I like how they look really ugly.
Yeah, but they're base model wheels. But the other thing is white NSX left-hand drive is really hard.
Hey, imagine those RGs.
No. Reverse staggered C's.
Bronze. Bronze. Yeah. Silver? What's it, you in silver? I know you got silver sets for your car.
I prefer bronze.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's pretty much just all stock. How many miles? I can't see, it's too dark.
So this thing you got, I guess you got inspection. So you got wrapped.
Wait, what? Is it stock though?
Oh yeah. Oh, but this is though. You know that reminds me of
Carlos's. Yeah, but Carlos is more dumb.
same color.
We care about right hand Cali. 52. What's up, Dre? Yeah. Dude, I feel like they're the same spec C's as mine. I'm not sure.
It might be lower.
Huh? He's lower? Nah, same height, bro. You're looking at it from far away. Oh, he is lower. Alright, he's lower. This is Brandon's future car. A real FD2 type car. FD2.
We gotta go look at.
What? I came to this meet for this, right? GTs. All right. Yeah, pop the hood. We seen the snail in there. Wait, what? Oh, we could have done it our whole time. Like, you could have done it for him.
It's not the hood latch inside.
Oh, okay.
I don't trust people.
I know, we could have popped it for you.
I thought about like deleting the factory hood latch, but I park on the street sometimes and people are assholes.
Yeah. Holy shit. Vortec, right?
It's come same shit. 6 times the speed. The usual.
Damn. That's really nice. How much power does it make? Is it tuned?
What's going on, bro? How you been?
What's that? How you doing?
Good, good.
430 to the wheels.
That's fun.
Yeah, a little bit.
430 to the wheels?
Yeah, for a street car?
That's not speed kit.
Science of Speed Kit. Oh, that's the one to get if you're supercharged.
Spoot mirrors too. Voltics.
Well, a couple more weeks and it'll be done.
And then row type 8. Oh, was it FK8s? Clean.
Yeah.
Dude, this is loud. I can start it a little. Oh wait, he ain't got to move yet. He's warming up his car, huh? Oh, never mind.
I can't believe you got
I thought I'd get flagged for this music. Oh, I like the exhaust. The hood, because the red carbon. T37Vs. So how expensive is this hood? If you had a
Think of like a Suchiya hood, but like red. Suchiya had a green hood.
And his is like, you can't get it too, huh? Oh, this is real watts?
Yeah, I want this. Hey, you want to sell your car?
Yeah, real watts? Real watts for 114?
Yeah. I want that.
You want that?
I want this.
How much should you pay him right now?
I'll give him 55.
With the watts? The watts are like what? How much are they now? $2 grand.
$2 grand.
Yeah. Bro, that thing's huge.
Is it a Voltex swing or is it a J swing?
What, can you say that again?
Is it a J swing or is it a Voltex swing?
I think it's J's. Wait. Z40s and SLs?
Yes. Race cars.
Yeah. That's cool. Looks like it has a...
Silver Tower, bro!
Oh,
Number 9.
Drive safe, 2 minutes. Have fun, 2-minute drive.
Later, Tommy.
Later.
I like the Roda.
Nice spoon wheels.
Oh, I like this SUV.
Peace.
Eurotow, what are you talking about?
I know what to do.
And you guys have Euro R's over here?
No, right?
RZs?
Sick wheels, bro.
Woo! So we got
Bro.
bro.